Action. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Maulana, and today I would like to present my presentation about teaching reading for English young learners. The content from my presentation is what is reading, the type of reading, steps of reading, process, and how to teach reading. Teaching reading for young learners. Reading is an interactive process that goes on between the reader and the text, resulting in comprehension. Teaching reading is very necessary in English learning and teaching as foreign language. It is the line with like a Burhan statement. Reading is a basic and mental activity to reveal the meaning of the written text. Learning to read is an important educational goal for both children and adults. The ability to read opens up new words and opportunity. What is reading? Reading is a decoding process from what the text or a phrase by the learners read. The second is aim to comprehend a meaning by a words or a language. And the third, through reading, we can get a lot of schemata or background knowledge. And the last is reading can build our vocabulary, which leads to comprehend the meaning easily. Why reading is important? As young learners, we should prohibition for which we should select appropriate text. During the meanings doesn't go from the page to the reader. Instead, it is a complex negotiation between the text and the reader. Reading leads to good writing. So, in this statement, we can get a conclusion. Reading is collaborate with writing. Reading will build our confidence, language proficiency, and content information. A type of reading. The first is attitude towards book. Attentive listener and interested to talk about a story, read to children. Behavior with books. Handle books correctly and pretend to read from the pictures or a memory. And the last is word recognition. It's like a logos or a pictures in the book. The 5 elements of reading. The first is phonemic awareness. Phonemic awareness is like rhyme words in text or in a words. The words within sentence, like syllables within in the words. And the second is phonics. Phonics is like a sounds of a letter while we were not writing. The process of translating written the words into the speech. The third is vocabulary. For readers, for learners to read, we can practice and learn 200 until 400 new words for background vocabulary. The next is comprehension. Comprehension is a reason why we read, as something output that learners know about what they learn from they read. And the last is fluency, how fluent the learners read their text or their books. The steps of learning to read. The first is alphabet. The second is phrase. The third is short sentence. And the next, questions and the statement. Dialogue, poetry, and a letter. And the last is text, a long dialogue of or story or even. How to teach children to read. The first is read aloud to learners. As a teachers, we can read aloud with our learners, so they will we help for memorize the new words or the new text. The second is ask a question for a learners. And the third is be a good reader. I think that's all about my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.